What's up everyone, I'm Imad from the Digital Brothers, and in this video I will be teaching you the basics of Microsoft Word document. So without any further ado, let's get started. You can access Microsoft Word document in two ways. The first way is to go to the start button, click it, and then search Microsoft Word. It's already here, Microsoft Word document. You need to click it and click a document, and here we go. This is our first way to access Microsoft Word document, and the second way is first you need to exit it, then right click your mouse and move it here to the new option, click it and choose the option Microsoft Word document. This is used when you want to put your Microsoft Word document file onto your into your desktop screen. So this is how to do it. You can also rename it by right clicking and choosing this option, rename. Let me write it practice document. So double click it to enter it. So I'm sure most of you know how to use Microsoft Word document, but for those who don't, this video is for them. Okay, so if first we need to type some things, let's write programming video this is how you write it, and just select the text by holding your mouse and dragging it over the text. It is now selected. Now you can change the font type. It's the type of the font, the Calibri body. This one Calibri is the default font type of Microsoft Word document. So click the arrow next to the this Calibri option. This is the font type button. Click the arrow next to it, and there are a lot of options. You can also search some of them through here. If you know the name of the font types you want. So let me choose. I want to add this one. You see the handwriting. This is a font type. So okay, so this is how you change the font type. And for copy and pasting text, let's move on to that. Copy and pasting text, we need to select the text at first, then right click it. Here are the options you can do. Copy, and then choose a place, double click on any place to select the position where you want to paste your text. Now right click your mouse again, and here are the paste options. There is a small a, click this one, and this will only show the text of your document, and here is how you copy it. Now right, select this text and right click it again. Now come to the cut option, this scissor one, cut it, and this will be removed from here. Now choose another destination, and now come here and choose this option, this text option, and it will come. And the shortcut keys for all these are: for copying it's Ctrl plus C, for pasting it's Ctrl plus V, for cutting it's Ctrl plus X. That's how you do it. And now I hope everyone knows how to delete text. Just click the backspace, and to delete a whole text, select the text and click the backspace. Now if you want to undo something you have done, so you need to come here on the top left corner, and you can see undo typing. Also the shortcut key for it is Ctrl plus Z. So let's use the shortcut key plus Z, and it came back. Also we can, and this is the redo typing, Ctrl plus Y. This is how you do it using Ctrl plus Y. Now I just want it to come back, and let's now come to the size of the text. The size of the text are measured in points. Like the size of this text is 11 points. Now we can increase it as much as we want. I want to select it to 36, clicked, and now my text is bigger. This is usually used for titles, headings, etc., even in the headings of a paragraph. Now let's write another line. I am in so let's make it the default one, Calibri. And now if we want to bold, we can also do bold, make it italic, and also underline the text to other font styles, but I want to do it with this one. So to bold the text you can click Ctrl plus B to bold the text with your keyboard, or you can come here and click this B option. These are known as font styles. So click this B option and the text will be bolded like this. And if you want to make your text italic, which means slanted to the right, your text will be slanted to the right. So to do that, the control keys are Ctrl plus I. So also you can come here to this option and click this I button, and your text will be italicized, and here it is slanted to the right. Also to underline your text, you need to use the keyboard strokes, Ctrl plus U, or else you can come here and click this U option, which has a line underlining it. Click it, and now your sentence is underlined. So if you want to undo this again, just click it again, click this again, and your sentence will be back to normal. Now if you want to make it like a script, you can also backspace it and make it delete it, But if you want to make it like a script as a that you don't want a sentence and you cut it with a pen when you write in your paper, you can also do it in that thing in Microsoft Word document, and that option is known as a strike through. This, so let's say I don't want this sentence, I want it to be cut. So come here and click this strike through option in this font group. Wait, it is now cut, and it looks like that someone has cut it with a pen or something. So that's for the strike through. Now let's move on to the text size as well. As I was saying, I said that also. Now select this 20, you can select any size. Now this is a increase font size and decrease font size. So if you want to decrease your font size, just click this option and your font size will slowly start to decrease until it's the minimum size it could get, and the minimum point is 1. And also if you want to increase your font size, just come to this option. Also the control keys for these are this control plus less than sign and control plus greater than sign. To increase your font, click control plus greater than sign, or use this button, click this button a few times to grow your font until it reaches its maximum size. It can be a lot bigger, so let's just shrink it to 20. Now we are done with font size 2. Now let's come to text color. We can change our font's color. We can, in a sentence, we can change a word's color. We can change the whole sentence color, or we can also change the color of a whole paragraph or document. Just select the text you want to change the color of. Come here to this option and click the arrow next to this font color button, the A above this colored line. Click the arrow next to it and you will be given a color palette. You can choose how your text will be colored. If you don't like any color from here, click more colors and you have a lot of color to choose from. I am choosing the blue one. Okay, and now my text is blue. So that's how you change the font color. Also highlight. If you want to make your text look like that it has been highlighted by a highlighter, so just select your text and click this highlight color button and your text will be highlighted and it will look like that it has been highlighted by a marker. You can also change the color of your highlighter. For instance, you can choose this red color, and now select the text again and okay, it has been highlighted. Deselect the option and now this pen option will go away. So now text effects. You can give your text different effects like reflection effect, black color text with blue color, blue accent, it's like a reddish lava accent, transparent red color. It's like a blocky accent. It's metallic. It's like going diminishing letter. This is a reflection, and this is a gold letter. This is a white letter. It looks like that it's emerging from the ground. You can also add different types of these things. Also, these are the stylistic sets. Add any of them. Ligatures, you can add any of them. Number styles, add any of them you want. Glow, add any of them. I want to add this. Also, actually, let's deselect the highlighter one. Looks red. So now it's glowing. That's how you do this, and it's looks like this is an electric sentence. And also there are outline options, shadow options, reflection options, etc. So that's for the text effects. Now let's move on to subscript and superscript. Subscript means it creates the numbers or text below the letter line of the text where the text is. Now select this text, or let me select this text only, and click this subscript button. It shrinks and it is under the line of this text. Let me remove the glowing effects so it's better understandable. No glow, it's small, and also you can undo it by clicking it again. Undo. Now just click it and you can make mathematical equations. For example, first click a 1. Now click, sorry, not mathematical, science equations. Mathematical is for this one, science. So click CO, and now you can click this and CO2. Thus this is a chemistry equations. So plus H2, and that's how you write chemistry equations in your Microsoft Word document. So now let's move on to this part, superscript. Superscript creates small text above the line of the text, means right about this upside. So you can use it to write mathematical equations, like for instance write a 1 and select this superscript and write ST first. Also you can write 10, oops, deselect it, 10, write T8, 10th. That's how mathematical equations are written. And that's it for this font group, the whole font group. Now you can see, let's move on to a different group actually. You can see that, wait, I forgot to mention one thing, change case. So if you want to, you can also use your keyboard to do it, or if you want, you can make a shortcut way. Sentence case. Sentence case, in this case the first letter of a sentence will be capital and other will be small. So here the Albin, this I, A and D are capital after the sentence, so that's not the sentence case, but it will make it like that. Actually it's name, so it will not change it. So, and for lower case every letter will go lower. And for uppercase, every letter in a sentence will be uppercase. For capitalize each word, every letter, first letter of each word will be capitalized. I am Imad Al-Din. All the first letters are capitalized, and the last case is toggle case. Here all other letters after a word, the first letter of a word will be capitalized and the first letter of a word will be lowercase. Exactly the opposite of this capitalize each word option. So now let's move on to a different one, and let's just capitalize each word. This looks nice. And now let's move on to the paragraph group. So if you want, you can change the alignment of your text. So the alignment means the position your text is situated in. This text, I am Imad Al-Din, is situated on the left. So if you want to put it in the center, just come here and click say Ctrl E, and it will be centered, or else you can click this option, this center option, and it will, your text will be in the center. This is usually used for headings, titles, etc., and also poems, short poems, also long poems sometimes. And for left alignment, which is the default alignment, we need to click Ctrl plus L, or we can click this option and our text will be located in the left. In the right alignment, we need to click Ctrl plus R, or we can click this option and it will be right aligned. And finally, justified alignment, it aligns text to both to left and right, and it also adds spaces between words, paragraphs, etc., if needed. So if we want to justify our text, we need to click Ctrl plus J, or this option, justify option, and it will be center. In the left option, it will look like it's in the left, but it's also actually both aligned in left and right. So it's actually not very understandable, but now let's move on to the next one. Line and paragraph spacing. So here I am counting this as a paragraph. So line and paragraph spacing, you can choose how many points it can be away. The spacing of the line and paragraph is the default one 1.0. You can also make it 1.15. This is the space from the line and the paragraphs. 1.5. I want to set it to 2.0, and this is the spacing of a line and paragraph. And now, have you ever wondered that can you make a list in Microsoft Word documents? If you have, then the answer is yes, cause this option is not so useful, but these two are useful. You can make your list using these two, bullet points and numberings. So let me cut this sentence and click this bullets option. Now it's bulleted, so let's choose anything. I don't think I am, let's write the number names 1 2 3 4. So it makes a list. This is how you actually create a list on a Microsoft Word document. Also, you can use numbering instead of this bulleted ones. So just deselect the bullets and select the numbering, and here we go. Your numbering is arranged. It also looks nice. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. You can also use it in various different ways actually. Also, you can shade your text like this with different colors. It changes the background of those. It's kind of like the highlight one, but it's a little bit shady. I'm choosing the blue one. Okay, now we also can make different looks of the bullet, different types. We can change the settings of the bullets. We can add bullets, the picture of bullets we want to add, and add font. We can add the symbols. We can add where the bullets will be aligned by clicking this. Also, we can choose different varieties of styles. Same for numbering. We can choose different varieties of these or none. So that's how you change make a list. These are not very useful. And borders, see these borders. Borders you can make right border. This is the border. Wait. Undo it. You can add different types of borders and border styles. Add these. You can draw a table if we want. There is also a table in Microsoft Word document which we will learn later. First, let's draw a table. This is one section. This is another section. You can draw as much as you want. You can draw a table in a table. You can make a chaos in your document if you want. Now I don't want this, so let me undo it. Okay, it's undid. It's undid. Okay, so that's how you change borders or draw tables. And in this insert options, here is the table option I was talking about. First you need to select a text first to make a table. So let's just select this text and click this table option. Wait, it's a list, so the table won't agree. Let's just erase it. Now you can choose a 1 by 1 table, a 2 by 2 table, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, 8 by 8, 9 by 10 by 8 table is the maximum you can create. Or you can make this make a table of your own. Columns 9, number of rows 8. You can make this, and here is our own custom table we customized. Also we can draw tables, as I said, quick tables. It's not so useful, so let's undo this all again. And to insert pictures insert pictures in your document. To insert them, you need to click pictures, and this will take pictures from your Word document. Let me choose the picture of Mars. Here is a picture of Mars in the document. We can move it using our arrow keys, but it's not working for some reason. Okay. It's very wide, so that's the reason it's not working. And now we have a picture in our document. This is used in very different ways, and these pictures are useful in Microsoft Word documents and are also very important for Microsoft PowerPoint, which we will learn in another video of coding. In this video we will just learn about Microsoft Word document. And now online pictures, I hope you know, you understand the meaning of it. Online pictures, we can search Bing image or on OneDrive personal browse image. I just want to search a Bing image, and I want to search Microsoft Word logo, and here is a Microsoft Word logo. We can carry one option at a time, so 1 to 2 options at a time actually. So select this word of any picture of your choice. I am choosing this one and select insert, and here is our online picture we got. That's how you get pictures from online. And shapes, you can draw shapes using this new drawing canvas. You can draw your shapes, and you can add any shapes if you want. There are a lot of shapes here. If you don't like any of them, new drawing canvas, come here and draw your shapes however you want. Wait, it's not working currently. So you can draw whatever. I'm using Windows 10, so it sometimes gets lagged out. You can also do it by yourself in your home drawing canvas. Also you can create get shapes like this. Here is your star. You can edit shapes in the format tab, which appears when you enter a picture or shapes, etc. You can make the shapes thick or thin using this center button. I just want to make it like a star. Shape fill, you can change the shape color. For more colors, this you can add a picture in your shape. I'm choosing the earth. This is the star with the earth in it. You can also change colors. For more colors, here is your color palette. I am taking blue, sorry, yellow actually. Okay, and this is my yellow star. You can change the shape outline. This is the outline of the shape. So you can choose more colors outline. This is my orange outline. You can choose any colors from here. You can come here to weight different. It provides different types of border styles or more lines if you want. Here are everything. So if you want, you can ask for solid line or gradient line. I just want a solid line, so just across it, and that's how you do it. Wait, this is the thickness of the border, the outline of it. If you take 6, it's very thick, and more lines means here it is. You can add like 20 points. Even if you want, you can add 100 points. And my whole star is now orange, so let's just take 10 points, and this is how my star looks. Shape effects like text, shapes can also have effects. 3D rotation, it can like sleep on the ground. Come to format tab, it can glow very bright, it can reflect itself. Let's just make it stand up for now. It's reflecting down. We can also change everything, change the shadow. We can make it shadowy. And many more. So you can also test it by yourself in your home. Test it like as much as you want. Now let's return to the insert tab. Smart Art. Charts are mostly for Microsoft Excel, data also. You can also make datas. You can choose pictures from screenshot here. Smart Art is a graphical design where smart graphic, where you can choose anything. This is like it's a process. Something undergoes this process. It's a pyramid. It goes like this. The relation between this thing, it goes up and goes down, and many more things that even I don't understand all. Like, what is this? Actually, I don't also understand. And there are many more things in the smarter graphics. Let me choose a basic thing. You can take this box and move it anywhere you want. In this outline you can make it very long, very small, big. You can also click it and write your text. I want to write hello, and hello. You can also make it differently, nicely. So that's for Smart Art. Let me delete this. It's causing a lot of trouble. Now Word macro. This Word Art. This is a word that you can move around anywhere in your document, and it has the effects as I showed you. I want it to reflect. Here is my text, which should be coming. Wait, my text is stuck. Now I can move it here. If you use the arrow keys, you can also move this outline text. Here it is under here, and let me write the shape's name. Reflecting star. It's a reflecting star. It's a reflecting star, and you can, as I told, move it anywhere in your document. Here, wait a second. Here, if you accidentally select it and while you are moving, take this to the this outline, and when this sign appears, these 4 arrows, just click it, and now you can move it as anywhere you want. Put it here, and you can also as I showed, add different effects to it. So that brings us to the end of the basic basic options in Microsoft Word document. Oh, I deleted it. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.